Hello, I'm Sharina, and this is my little testimony to testify of the power of healing. I've been ill for the last, I suppose, about a year or so with all the incessant coughing, and I had to sleep in the night, not on a flat pillow, but my pillow would be inclined at about 45 to 60 degrees so that would stop the incessant coughing. But recently it got a bit worse, and I couldn't sleep at night. I was coughing so much I had to go to the toilet. But then one day when I was in the office, somebody came, and this person is from the resurrection ministry. So he started to pray for me. He laid hands on my head, and then within around a week to 10 days, things improved tremendously. And that was some weeks ago. And today I'm as right as rain. So this is to attest to the power of prayers, that when an anointed person speaks or pray for you, you can be assured that it will be very effective. So that is my testimony. Thank you very much.